So before you start writing in the comments that I do not upload daily on YouTube, I know guys, I'm making this video not only to tell you guys that uploading every single day on YouTube is crucial to YouTube's new algorithm changes, but also to show myself that I need to upload every single day and kind of light a fire under my ass to start uploading every single day, guys. So now that we have that over with, let me get into the video. So YouTube algorithm changes come once in a while on YouTube. Some are good, some are bad, and now uploading daily on YouTube more than ever is extremely beneficial to your channel growth for the long term, because now YouTube promotes creators that post more consistently and more often on YouTube, and that is a fact, guys. So if you're not uploading every single day on YouTube, you are losing out on potential growth, okay? So yeah, it doesn't matter, guys, if you have not started your YouTube channel yet or if you already have a channel. So some of you guys I know might not have a channel yet. I'm telling you guys, make your channel right now. Now is the best time. If you wait a week later from now, you might be losing out on some potential growth and subscribers. So definitely make your channel as soon as possible, okay? And if you already have your channel, but you're kind of making excuses why you can't upload every single day, or you're too busy, etc., just do it, guys, okay? I'm going to give you guys some tips to have more time to make these YouTube videos, and how you can not waste time when making and uploading your YouTube videos, okay? So some of you guys might take one day out of the week and crank out 7 videos in one day. I know a lot of people who do that. So let's say a Saturday or Sunday, they have the whole day free. They just crank out 7 videos, 7 thumbnails, and upload all of them and schedule them for the week, so they don't have to worry whatsoever for the rest of the 6 days of the week. This is really great if you can do that, but for me personally, I cannot do that. It is almost impossible because it takes me at least an hour to completely make a YouTube video, and therefore it will take me over 7 hours of straight grinding the entire day, which honestly I cannot focus for that much time in a row. So that is not really realistic for me. Therefore I always split it into 2 days. So one day I either make 3 videos or 4 videos, and the next day I make 3 or 4, whatever, and then I'm pretty much good for the week. So let's say on a Monday I make 3 videos, on a Friday I make 4 videos, then I'm good for the week, right? So if you guys want to do that, that is a good strategy. But now I'm going to give you guys some more specific tips on how you can actually save time. So the first thing I always do is just crank out a ton of YouTube thumbnails all in a row. So let's say sometimes on a Sunday night or whatever, I'm kind of just bored, I don't have much to do. What I usually do, hop on my computer, just put in some music, guys, listen to whatever I want, and pretty much just crank out thumbnails. I pretty much go on my notes and look at what video ideas I have written down, because I have a notepad here. I use Google, what is it called? Google Keep here. So I have a ton of YouTube video ideas if you guys want to look at this, but I have a ton of YouTube video ideas. So I pretty much go through this and see what video ideas I want to make into thumbnails. So then I just pretty much make some thumbnails, right? And this makes it a lot easier for when I want to make a video. So let's say tomorrow I don't know what to upload. All I gotta do, come into this this folder on my computer and see what video I want to make. So I think tomorrow I'm going to be making this how to grow your Facebook group video. I like this thumbnail, it's pretty nice actually. But yeah, so I'm probably going to be making that video tomorrow, how to grow your Facebook group, and I'm going to be talking about the Facebook group at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. There is actually a giveaway for Crushing It by Gary Vee, but I'll talk about that at the end of the video. So let's get back into the thumbnails. So yeah, I always crank out a ton of thumbnails, probably 5 to 10 thumbnails once a week, and that's pretty much sets me up so that it's a lot easier and I have less of an excuse to not make a video one day. Because let's say you want to make a video, you're like, I don't really want to make a video, I don't even have a thumbnail made. Well, I don't really have that excuse, because I always have a ton of thumbnails kind of ready to use in any video I want to make. So that actually really helps me out with productivity for my videos. Okay, so that's a big tip I'll tell you guys. So honestly, guys, stop making your videos perfect, okay? If you want to make a video completely perfect, it's almost impossible. If I want to make this video perfect, it'd probably take me all day. It would probably take me hundreds of tries to not make any mistakes in my videos and say everything perfectly. And guys, you do not have to say everything perfectly in your video. You know why? Because people like to see authenticity. People like to see you authentically, okay? Authentic people. If your video is completely scripted, completely word by word, and you do not get off of the script whatsoever, that is kind of weird, guys, and you're gonna sound kind of like a robot, which people do not really like to listen to a robot. They want to listen to an actual person talking. So what I do is write down a rough outline of my video, so a few key points of what I want to talk about in my video, and maybe a couple sentences of what I want to say, but I never really write down a full script of my video, because what that does is make you talk like a robot and just read the entire thing. Right now here I have like my laptop here with kind of a script, but it's more key points in my videos. So it's actually a Chromebook, so I always write down all the things there, and then I kind of look to the side if I need help referencing what I want to talk about in the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just want to tell you guys that you need to be uploading every single day, since YouTube is promoting creators that upload more consistently. It's extremely important. Now let's get into something different, a little bit off topic from the video. My Facebook group, it's called the Social Media Entrepreneurs Community. It's going to be the first link in the description below. I really suggest you guys to join this. It is a group for entrepreneurs where you guys can ask any questions you want to in this group. So as you guys can see, I already have how many members? 140 members. Wow, that's pretty good. I started this group 1 week ago, guys, and I already have 140 members in the group. There's a lot of people asking questions in the group, and as you guys can see, I'm going to be replying to all of the questions you may have in the group. So ask anything you want about entrepreneurship, anything in entrepreneurship. I'll be replying to all of you guys, as well as other people in the group will be replying. So definitely check this out. There is a giveaway for Crushing It by Gary Vee. I'm going to be giving away 3 copies. I really love this book. I've read it myself, so that's why I decided to give away this book. So yeah, definitely check this out. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, check out the first link in the description below. Once again, it's going to be there. You guys just have to read this. It'll tell you how to enter in the giveaway. It's a very easy giveaway to get into. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Definitely check out the Facebook group. You guys will not be disappointed with that. And I will be telling you guys how to grow a Facebook group like I have in tomorrow's video. So definitely stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you guys enjoyed. Peace.